In this video, I will be showing you how to use NotebookLM to automatically generate a professional slide deck from your documents. Let's get started. First, I'll click on the Create New button to start a fresh project. Once the workspace loads, I'm going to upload my source material by clicking on Upload Files and selecting a research summary on artificial intelligence. As the document finishes uploading, NotebookLM immediately begins analyzing the text to provide a high-level overview in the chat interface. Now, I'll move over to the Studio panel on the right side of the screen and select the Slide Deck option to open the customization menu. For this presentation, I'll choose the Presenter Slides format and set the length to short so the content remains concise. In the description box, I'll type an instruction for the AI to create a 5-slide presentation focusing on the core applications and risks found in the document. After clicking Generate, NotebookLM starts drafting the slides based entirely on the source text I provided. This feature is incredibly useful for saving time, as the AI handles the organization and pulls the most relevant takeaways for me. It's a seamless way to transform a dense paper into a visual narrative without manual copying. Once the generation is complete, I can open the viewer to see the final product, titled The AI Duality. The resulting slides effectively balance technical concepts like the intelligence stack with practical business and healthcare applications. It captures the dual nature of AI as both an unprecedented opportunity and a critical responsibility. Finally, I can review the slides and use the menu at the top to download the entire deck as a PDF or PowerPoint file. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.